My name is Jeremy McLeod. I'm the co-founder of Nightingale Housing. So the idea of Nightingale is that we try to solve three things simultaneously. One is for housing, it's a basic human right. The other thing is that we try to solve for sustainability, because if we're not solving for climate change, then we shouldn't be building anything at all. And lastly, we need to be thinking about community and how do we rebuild community. The beauty of us working with an organisation like SUPA is that they source their electrons from a renewable source. SUPA have agreed to provide all of our residents with 100% green power, cheaper than black power. What that means is that our residents that live here, that care about sustainability, that care about the planet, can buy power to power their apartment cheaper than anyone else out here can buy coal-fired power for, and they can be part of the energy solution. So they can be part of the transition from coal to renewables in our grid. And they can do it and save money at the same time. So I am very happy about the partnership between Nightingale and SUPA.
We delivered a full suite of energy services for this property. We've worked with our partners like IntelliHub for electrical metering and for EV charging infrastructure. We deployed the solar system on the facility. We put the hot water plant in. So we're effectively delivering a 100% green power solution for the occupiers of this property, bringing together something that the community was very passionate about and the developer is as well, and doing that at an affordable price, working with our partners.
The beauty of working with SUPA for us was that they handled the packaged heat pump and the hot water. They made sure for us that the greenhouse warming potential of the refrigerants in the packaged heat pump were below 670. It's nerdy, but that's important to us.
The earlier we're engaged and can be involved in helping shape the design decisions for the property, the better we can tailor our solution to meet the needs of the occupiers.
I think that SUPA to have a very, very competent technical team to be able to talk to them about what is it that we need, whether it be 100% electric buildings powered by 100% green power, high efficiency hot water. I'm very interested in this idea of rooftop solar. And so what I want to work with SUPA on is using each of the Nightingale buildings as an opportunity for battery storage, to be able to be part of a virtual power plant or grid stability for all of the houses in the surrounding community. So I think that there's lots of opportunity when you've got a lot of smart people sitting on that side of the fence.
We've done a number of projects with Nightingale now. We really enjoy working with them. We like the purpose and the values of Nightingale and the fact that they've got a really clear vision about what they want to deliver and how they want to help improve housing affordability and access to housing generally. We like the sustainability imperative with working with Nightingale. Clearly, as we embark towards a carbon neutral future, there's invariably multiple iterations that we'll see of the way that energy is delivered across properties, and we want to continue to stay at the forefront of that and serve our developers, including Nightingale. We think that connectivity becomes more and more important for communities as well. So we're investing heavily in our connectivity solutions and delivering, we believe, the fastest residential internet in the country today. And so we look forward to doing more of that with Nightingale and other developers.
It's hard to work in the development space and find partners who care about the same things that you do. We've worked really hard in the last 5 years to find partners that provide carbon neutral building products. And for us to find an energy partner who can guarantee the electricity that is powering our Nightingale homes comes from renewables has just been so critical for us. It's been like this perfect marriage for us. So the partnership with SUPA has been amazing. And I've had lots of really tough conversations with Sam over the years about saying, I'm not going to use you guys unless you can guarantee it's 100% green power.
Yeah.
And they fucking did. So, and you can put that on camera. Sam, that's for you, mate. He's a legend.
He is. He's amazing.
And I drive the team at SUPA crazy.